for municipal purposes, and it is legal on the state and local level there, but is still against law on a federal scale. But the FDA says they will not pursue it if people are doing it as they should and using it as a medicine, and they're not abusing the medicine. And right now there are 14 states that have it ratified. It's those green ones. And though one thing that's hard is there's laws regulating marijuana, and it's making research extremely hard for people to research marijuana so they can actually find if it's really good for you, like for municipal purposes, and exactly what it does. But recently, Congress has lifted a law restriction in it, but it has not been implemented yet.
There's obviously has to be some pretty strict dispensary rules. One of it, obviously, you can't get into the dispensary unless you have a prescription from your doctor. And then, depending on the prescription, the employees will dispense the correct amount to you. The problem with dispensing, there's no standard dosing recommendations. One of the doctors was quoted as saying, "I don't know what to recommend to patients about what to use, how much to use, where to get it." And that was the chief of pain medicine at the University of California. So obviously, doctors are a little bit confused. They don't know what kind of doses to recommend. Again, since there's laws that are implemented against research, it's very tough to kind of study these things. Another thing is employees can't recommend what customers should use. One of the studies said she was disappointed to find that the staffers couldn't say which of the products with names like Pot of Gold and Blockbuster might boost her appetite or soothe her anxiety. Obviously the problem is it's not like when you go into a normal store where the employee can help you and say, well, I've tried this or I've done this and I can tell you this. Since it's against the law for them to use it, they can't really make recommendations or anything like that. So.